Hello kg.1. Today we are going to learn a new letter. This letter is Y. The sound is Y. Let's learn some words. Yogurt, yolk, yo-yo, yellow yogurt. Now let's learn together how to write it. We will start from the big dot. You will go down till we touch the lower line. Then we make a round. Then we go up till we touch the upper line. And then we will go down on the same line and make an umbrella stick. Super kg.1. Okay, let's read together these words. Y, a, yeah. S, yes. Y, a, yeah. K, yak. Y, a, yeah. L, yell. Y, a, yeah. L, yell. P, yelp. 3 of these pictures have a Y sound in them. Cross out the one that does not. I'll give you 5 seconds, kg.1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Super! Now we need to cross the cat because it doesn't have the sound. Yeah. Now let's listen to this beautiful song together.
I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yup, 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 yup.
Let's read this story together. It is lunchtime at school. One boy is eating his sandwich quickly so he can play with his yo-yo. A girl is looking forward to eating her yogurt. She chose it when she went shopping with her family. It is a yummy yellow banana yogurt. Now, kg.1, I want you to look to this story and tell me the words that start with Y. Yo-yo, yogurt, yummy, yellow, yogurt. Thank you, kg.1. Now, let's learn some new words together. This is a yacht. A yacht is made of wood. It sails in the sea. It is very expensive. This is egg yolk. Eating eggs yolk is very healthy. This is a yo-yo. I like to play with my new yo-yo. This is yogurt. Eating yogurt every day is very good for our health. This is yellow. I have a new yellow shirt. Thank you, kg.1, for watching the video. Bye-bye.